And away from that story, in a bid to strengthen Nigeria's education system and improve teaching standards nationwide, the Federal Ministry of Education is partnering with the European Union and UNESCO, which has inaugurated the National Program Steering Committee for the second phase of the Expand, Integrate and Strengthen Systems EISS project. The initiative, which runs from 2024 to 2028, aims to enhance teacher capacity and resilience across the country. Captain News correspondent brings the details.
The EU-UNESCO Expand, Integrate and Strengthen Systems project, now in its second phase, seeks to train thousands of Nigerian teachers, enhance digital literacy and promote inclusive and quality education across all regions. This is to position Nigeria with global education goals under the UN Sustainable Development Agenda 2030. The Minister of State for Education, Professor Suwaiba Saidu Ahmad, while inaugurating members of the National Steering Committee, charging them to ensure effective implementation and accountability.
We are gathered here to begin this second phase, which focuses on building the capacity and resilience of the teachers across Nigeria. For us, this project is a major step forward in improving the quality of education in our country. This ensures that teachers from different regions benefit equally and that the impact is felt nationwide. The project also aligns with the Federal Ministry of Education National Education System Reform Initiative, NESRI, which places teachers' development at the heart of education reform. Together, we are working to strengthen the system and give our teachers the tools they needed to succeed. As members of the steering committee, your role is key. With your guidance, we can make sure that this project delivers real results for the teachers, our school and our children.
The project aims to establish over 700 teachers' learning teams to promote peer learning, innovation and professional growth in the classroom. The head of cooperation at the EU's delegation to Nigeria and ECOWAS, Massimo De Luca, reiterated the European Union's commitment to supporting Nigeria's education reform and human development goals.
We have to make sure that delivery of this program is such that can create confidence in the fact that we, Nigeria, and with the support of your partners, we are doing the necessary to respond to the call of the teaching community and the families. Training for teachers and economic conditions of our teachers, their social contract with the communities. We believe that these aspects cannot be neglected if we want really our teeming youths to become the driving force of development.
Also, UNESCO's National Project Coordinator Magdalene Anene Maido said the initiative is a demonstration of what can be achieved when government and partners invest in teachers.
What are some specific objectives? There are three. The first one is to review and strengthen and implement education policies and programs by addressing teacher shortage and work conditions. Secondly, we wish to reinforce and support individual teacher capacities in service and pre-service by developing an expanded teacher education program with a focus on resilience and further context. Thirdly, we want to build better teacher connections to their students and colleagues in their communities.
Through this project, we aim to train thousands of teachers and head teachers in digital pedagogy and ICT integration, and to establish, and this was mentioned this afternoon, more than 700 collaborative teacher learning teams that will promote peer learning, innovation, and professional growth in the classroom. Our ultimate goal is to empower Nigeria's young people not only to learn, but to thrive, to lead, and to transform their communities. In doing so, we reaffirm the central role of teachers within the Nigeria Education Sector Renewal Initiative (NESRI).
The initiative, jointly funded by the European Union and implemented by UNESCO, would be executed in 6 states, representing all geopolitical zones.